Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I have a big unboxing today. I don't think I put in the title exactly what this is. It is either a Birkin or a Kelly. If you know me, you probably know which one this is because I am definitely team one or the other. It is in this giant bag. Let me just pull this down to get the box out. Here is the box. The box is not as huge. A lot of you know that I have a rather large handbag collection, and I used to live in a very big house, and I have moved to a condo and have downsized, and I do need to downsize my handbag collection. That is a process that I'm working on. I'm working on designing my closet and getting that tricked out and everything. So I am supposed to be downsizing my collection, not buying more at the moment. However, this opportunity was presented to me and I did take it. I will be downsizing bags, and this bag will help me to do that. I will like to carry this bag a lot, and I will be able to let a lot of other bags go. The plan had originally been to use the funds from selling my other bags when I started looking for this bag, but as many of you know, when the opportunity arises, you just need to take it. So I took it. Here we go. So excited about this bag. It was so nice to get just exactly what I wanted. In fact, I did the tag video. If I only had $10,000 to spend for the rest of my life on bags, what would I do? Something very similar to this one was mentioned in that video. So let's take a look. I will open it. Whoop, oh, this. Here is the bag, and there are a couple of other things in here. There's the receipt and, oh, it's a little book that I will read on Hermes bags, I guess, and 2 raincoats. All right. There are a couple of other things in here that I'll go ahead and show you, which might tell you what this bag is. All right, here we go. I love this bag. Just got the box out of the way so that you can see this bag. Here we go. It is the Hermes Kelly 28 in Epsom leather. This is in the color gold with palladium hardware. It's the 28 and it is the Cellier version. When I did the tag video, I said I was doing the return. That was in part to save money for the budget of the tag. The truth is I like them both. I like Togo leather in the return and I like Epsom in the Cellier. I like both of them equally as well. They each have advantages and disadvantages. I love this little bag. So here you go. I'll do a 360 of it. Of course, this is the felt that's on it. I'll take that off. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the top, and the bottom. I just love this little bag. Let me take this off. I'm sure most of you know how this works. You twist that. Take this one and this one. Of course, this has plastic on it. I'll be taking the plastic off. Then you flip this down, open this, and the felt comes out. The Cellier just means that it's stitched down all the way around. This is a more ladylike, a more boxy bag. I do agree that this is a ladylike bag, but I do think it can be worn casually as well as dressy, especially since, let me go ahead and open these, it comes with this shoulder strap, and the shoulder strap, oops, my phone's going off, comes with this shoulder strap. You cannot adjust it, but it is the perfect sort of shoulder strap size for me. I mean, I've tried it. I tried it and it works really well. There you go. Between Kelly and Birkin, I'm definitely Team Kelly. However, I like a Birkin as well. I think it's a beautiful bag. This is just a more practical bag for me to use. I played with this for a little while because the Cellier, it's just this one opening here. There are some pockets, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There are 2 slit pockets over here and there's 1 zipper pocket over there. Other than that, it is one opening. This bag in the Cellier is stiffer. The Cellier is a stiffer leather, so it doesn't hold as much as the same. If you have 2 Kellys and one is the Retorn, which means it's flipped inside out, so it has a softer bottom, and it's usually made from a softer leather. Those you can get a little more in because it's just more mushy and you can get your hand in there easier. I do like them both. I'm very, very happy to have this one. My hand goes in here just fine. I am not somebody who carries a whole lot. This is plenty for me, and between the 28 and 32, I also like both the 28 and 32. If I had a 32, I think I would want the Retorn. The Retorn makes it look a little bit smaller. So there are several things that I like. I'm a little flexible in what I like. And I like both the gold and the black. Those are the 2 colors that you can carry all the time. If I could only choose one, it would be the gold. I love this color. I would have been happy too if it were gold hardware or palladium hardware. I like them both. Like most people do, I plan to carry this bag more often like this because there's just less to do when you get in and out of the bag. I'm very used to a twist lock and open. I'm fine with that. But having to work on these sangles and get it all together, that might be a little bit much. I might do it on occasion, but normally this is the way that I will carry this bag. The other thing I want to do, and I have called my friend Bobster92, Bobby, hey Bobby, a lot of you know him. I told him that I got this bag, and of course he wanted to see it. And I would like to play around with straps. He has several different straps. There are straps you can buy from Hermes that you can use in place of this, and I like this strap for a shoulder strap, but what I will say is that I don't have very broad shoulders, and when I was playing with this, if I just totally relax, this will fall right off my shoulder. So I can carry it, but I have to kind of have my hand on the bag or have my hand on the strap in order to really be able to carry it around a lot and relax about it. So I would like to buy one of their straps that I can use crossbody, to make it crossbody. So, you can either hold it like this, no matter what strap you have, and then use the strap. I want to show you something else. I am not a big woman, but I'm not a tiny little petite woman either. And this is one of the things that I was concerned about with the 28 over the 32. I wasn't sure that I could carry it on my arm, but I absolutely can. It is a pretty big opening in this bag. This is a very practical, practical bag for me. It is a bag that goes with just about everything that I have. It is suited to my coloring. It is the right size. I love everything about this bag. Oh, let me show you the other thing. It does come with this clochette as well. And I was playing with this. I'm not even sure, frankly, if there's a correct side to put this on. But when you do this, there's a key in this part, and it goes through here. There we go, that took me a minute. Kind of goes like that. I do think that this is pretty. I also think it's a little bit fussy. I'm not sure how much I will carry this on it. Maybe I'll get more used to it, but right now I'm worried about it. Rubbing on the bag and scratching the bag, and also when you open the bag, it's there and it sort of just falls back. So it's just one other thing to have to do. I guess if I was carrying it with it on, I would probably flip this to the back and then open it, do my thing, and then close it and flip this to the front. And I just don't know if I want to be that fussy or not. I have the option of doing it or not. So there is that. But there you go. That is my big purchase that just happened to be if I only had $10,000. The Retorn, when you get the Retorn, it is a little bit less expensive than the Cellier. I'm not sure exactly of the price difference. It's a little difficult sometimes to find out prices of different variations if you're not looking at that variation. There you have it, my Hermes Kelly 28 in Epsom leather, Cellier. I think that's it. I don't know what else to say. Oh, in the palladium hardware. A very, very classic bag. Of course, you will be seeing much more of her. I'm sure there are more videos I can do where she is involved. If you love luxury and design, and especially if you love jewelry, I am a fine jewelry designer, so we talk a lot about jewelry on this channel. Please hit that subscribe button and join us. I, for one, would love to see you here again soon. Until then.